How to add cash on delivery payment method on Shopify. If you want to add a cash on delivery payment option to your store on Shopify, this video will guide you step by step. Cash on delivery, also known as COD, allows customers to place an order online and pay when the product is delivered to them. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Payments. Here you will see different payment providers available for your store. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Manual Payment Methods. Under this section, click on Add Manual Payment Method. A list of manual payment options will appear. Select Cash on Delivery, COD, from the list. Now you can customize the payment instructions that customers will see at checkout. For example, you can write a message like, "Please keep the exact amount ready when your order arrives." If you want, you can also add extra instructions, such as delivery charges or payment details. After adding the instructions, click Activate or Save. Now, Cash on Delivery is successfully added to your Shopify store. When customers reach the checkout page, they will see the Cash on Delivery option and can choose it to place their order. And that's how you add Cash on Delivery as a payment method on Shopify. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Shopify and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching.